Imagine this. You walk into a bank, excited to apply for a credit card or a loan, only to be told your application is declined. Frustrating, right? That's exactly what happens when you have no credit history or a weak credit score. A strong credit score isn't just a number. It affects your ability to get loans, rent apartments, and sometimes even land certain jobs. The good news? You can start from zero and build an excellent score if you know the right steps. Today, we're going to go through 10 proven strategies to build a strong credit score from scratch, and some of these might surprise you. 1. Start with a secured credit card. If you're starting from zero, your first step should be getting a secured credit card. Unlike regular credit cards, secured cards require a cash deposit that usually becomes your credit limit. For example, if you deposit $300, that's your credit limit. Using this card responsibly and paying it off in full each month shows lenders that you can manage credit responsibly. The most important part of building credit is consistency. Even small, everyday purchases, like groceries, streaming subscriptions, can help if you pay the balance in full each month. This shows lenders that you can manage credit responsibly from the start. Secured credit cards are ideal for beginners because they require a deposit, which becomes your credit limit, minimizing risk. Popular options include Discover It Secured, Capital One Secured Card, and Citi Secured Card. Using a secured card responsibly lays a strong foundation for your credit history and helps you gradually build a solid score over time. 9. Open a credit builder loan. Another option for building credit is a credit builder loan. Unlike traditional loans, the money you borrow is held in a bank account while you make monthly payments. Once you finish paying, the bank releases the funds to you. Every on-time payment gets reported to the credit bureaus, helping you establish a credit history. Apps like Self and Credit Strong are designed for beginners. The advantage here is that even if you're hesitant to use a credit card, you can still show that you can repay money responsibly. Credit builder loans are small, manageable, and a powerful way to start building your score from scratch. 8. Always pay your bills on time payment. History makes up the largest part of your credit score. Even one missed payment can affect your score significantly. This doesn't only include credit cards or loans, it also covers things like phone bills and utilities if you use tools that report them to credit bureaus. For example, Experian Boost allows you to add your utility and phone payments to your credit report, which is helpful when you have little or no credit history. Setting up automatic payments through your bank or budgeting apps like Truebill or Prism ensures you never miss a due date. Small, consistent actions like this can have a massive impact over time. 7. Keep your credit utilization. Low credit utilization refers to the percentage of your available credit that you're actually using. Experts recommend keeping it below 30%, but under 10% is even better. Using too much of your credit limit can signal to lenders that you might be overextended, even if you pay everything on time. For example, if you have a $500 credit limit, try not to carry a balance higher than $50 to $150. Tools like Credit Karma or Mint help you monitor your utilization in real time. Low utilization combined with on-time payments shows lenders that you can manage credit responsibly, which boosts your score. 6. Apply for credit strategically. Every time you apply for a new credit card or loan, it creates a hard inquiry on your credit report. A few inquiries are fine, but multiple applications in a short period can hurt your score. If you're starting from scratch, it's smart to apply for credit slowly and carefully. Begin with one secured credit card or a credit builder loan to establish a positive payment history. Focus on making on-time payments consistently, showing lenders that you can handle credit responsibly. Once you've built a solid track record, you can consider adding another account, but avoid applying for multiple cards or loans at once. Gradually expanding your credit demonstrates reliability without hurting your score through too many hard inquiries. Tools like Credit Karma can help you monitor potential score impacts before applying. 5. Become an authorized user. One strategy many beginners overlook is becoming an authorized user on someone else's credit card. This allows you to benefit from the primary card holder's credit history without borrowing money yourself. For example, if a family member has had a card for 10 years and always pays on time, being added as an authorized user can instantly give you a positive credit history. Make sure the card reports authorized users to all 3 credit bureaus and only choose someone with excellent credit habits. This can accelerate your credit growth while you continue to build your own accounts. 4. Monitor your credit reports regularly. Knowing what's on your credit report is critical. Mistakes happen and they can hurt your score if left unaddressed. You're entitled to a free credit report from each of the 3 major bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, once every 12 months through annualcreditreport.com. Regularly checking your report helps you spot errors such as incorrect balances, accounts that don't belong to you, or late payments that were reported incorrectly. Correcting these mistakes can improve your score and ensures your credit history reflects your actual financial behavior. 3. Keep older accounts. The length of your credit history also affects your score. Closing old accounts can shorten your average account age, which may lower your score. Even if you don't use an old card often, keeping it open and occasionally making small charges can benefit your credit over time. For example, if you have a secured card that you have used responsibly for 2 years, keeping it open helps maintain a longer credit history. It's a simple step that contributes to overall credit strength without much effort. 2. Diversify your credit types. Having a mix of credit types like credit cards, installment loans, and retail accounts can positively influence your score. Lenders like to see that you can handle different forms of credit responsibly. However, this doesn't mean you should take on unnecessary debt. Start with manageable options. For instance, once your secured card and credit builder loan are in good standing, you could consider a small personal loan or a retail store card that reports to credit bureaus. The goal is to demonstrate that you can manage various credit types successfully. 1. Be patient and consistent. The most important step of all is consistency. Building a strong credit score takes time. There's no instant shortcut, but by following all the previous steps and sticking to good habits, you'll see steady improvement. Check your credit regularly, pay on time, keep balances low, and avoid unnecessary applications. Over months and years, your credit history grows, your score rises, and you'll start to qualify for better cards, loans, and interest rates. Patience combined with responsible habits is the real key to success. Building a strong credit score from zero may seem overwhelming at first, but if you follow these 10 strategies, it's completely achievable. Start with a secured credit card or a credit builder loan, pay all your bills on time, and monitor your credit regularly. Keep your balances low, apply for new credit thoughtfully, and consider becoming an authorized user. Remember to maintain older accounts, diversify your credit types, and most importantly, be patient and consistent. Your credit score is more than just a number. It's a reflection of your financial reliability. The steps you take today can open doors to lower interest rates, better loan approvals, and financial opportunities you never thought possible. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you never miss more practical tips that help you manage money, credit, and your financial future. Remember, building a strong credit score is a journey. Every small, responsible choice you make adds up over time. Start now, stay consistent, and watch your score grow. And the question left for you is simple. What step will you take today to start building your credit?